Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize CRM sync in HubSpot for lead follow-up step by step clearly. First, log in to your HubSpot account. Once you're on your dashboard, navigate to the settings icon in the top right corner. Click on the settings icon to access your account settings. In the left sidebar, scroll down and select integrations. Now, choose connected apps from the integrations options. Locate the CRM service you wish to sync with HubSpot. Click on the CRM service to open its settings. Look for the Connect App button and click it. You may need to enter your login credentials for the CRM platform. After logging in, grant HubSpot the necessary permissions to access your CRM data. Review the permissions requested carefully. Once you're comfortable, click Allow or Authorize. HubSpot will now initiate the synchronization process. You should see a confirmation message once the sync is successfully established. Next, go back to the main integrations page. Now, click on Sync Settings. Here, you can customize which data will sync between HubSpot and your CRM. Select the lead-related fields you need for follow-up. Adjust any additional settings based on your workflow requirements. Finally, click Save Changes to finalize your sync configuration. Your CRM is now authorized for lead follow-up with HubSpot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.